This is a 4-axis CNC woodless machine with a sanding head. They can do many works like cleaning cut, sanding, polishing, and engraving, 4-axis engraving, 3-axis engraving, round engraving, and 4-axis engraving. The length is 2 meters. This is spindle, 6 kilowatt spindle. This is a cleaning cutter, 1 cutter for this machine, and 1 sanding head. The control system is all English menu. This is the control cabinet.